Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, senior economist, and here's what happened while we were away. We had a 2-year auction. The sale came in right on the screw, stopping at 4.0171%, the highest award rate in 15 months. Demand was solid with a bid to cover at 2.64, modestly above the 1-year average. Indirects 57.6%, directs 30.1%, and dealers 12.3%. So good 2-year today. We'll see how the 5-year goes tomorrow. Citadel Securities is out now saying that the Federal Reserve should shift closer toward hiking interest rates as consumer prices have become the dominant threat in the economy. Inflation, not the labor market, is the greatest risk, said Shah, head of EMEA fixed income sales. The Fed should take note and adjust their stance lest they get behind the curve. So we have another financial entity saying that the Fed should hike rates. We'll see. I doubt that seriously comes to fruition, but interesting to note, we're hearing more calls to hike rates. American Airlines announced today it had struck a deal with SpaceX Starlink to equip more than 500 jets with its Wi-Fi service. American called the deal a sweeping modernization of its in-flight customer experience. We did have American Airlines shares rally on the back of that news. Micron hits $1 trillion market cap for the first time as the stock surged 18%. Micron opened at a record intraday high today after Trump's comments at a rally over the weekend mentioning the company. UBS subsequently this morning raised its price target from $525 to $1,625, which implies roughly another 115% upside from Micron's close Friday at 751. We've got some mania in the stock markets today, and we've got space and satellite related stocks also soaring today as investor enthusiasm around the industry intensified after Elon Musk SpaceX filed for IPO last week. Shares of space infrastructure company Redwire jumped as much as 31%. Satellite broadband communication company AST Space Mobile surged 20%. And rocket and spacecraft maker Firefly Aerospace rose as much as 21%. In nuclear, we have Oklo stock surging 7% today as it said that it has entered advanced notifications with the Department of Energy under a federal program aimed at converting surplus plutonium into fuel for next-generation nuclear reactors. We do have a lot of other stocks in that sector also being pulled up by that news. So good news for the nuclear industry today. Moving on, we have the stock market has spoken. Ferrari shares have fallen after the car maker unveiled its first fully electric vehicle. Shares were down about 8% in Milan. U.S. shares fell roughly 5%. Yes, the highly anticipated model did not go over well with consumers and investors. So, notably, Porsche and Lamborghini have pulled back on any plans to launch their own EVs due to weak demand. So, big risk for Ferrari there, and the customer is saying, we're not really happy with this. And moving on, last but not least, we have 2 oil super tankers exit the Strait of the Hormuz. Now, this is literally, you guys, the absolute state of things. They are literally calling 2 VLCCs leaving the Strait as a high number. Listen to this. For the first time in the week, 4 million barrels of unsanctioned crude have been seen crossing the waterway, with ships leaving in bunches and then lower volumes passing in subsequent days. So Tuesday's number is high. 4 million barrels is high. It may be offset by a decline in the coming days. They called it a mini flurry. 2 tankers is a mini flurry. So just to let you know where the press is sitting at that. I don't think anybody fully understands. We now have over 1,500 ships sitting outside of the strait waiting to cross. And with that, I'm going to head it to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Tracy. All right, let's check out an intraday 10-minute crude oil futures chart right now. And I have it broken up into 3 sessions, including Friday, and then Sunday, Monday, abbreviated session, and then today. Looking at the points of control, Friday's point of control, 96.53. The abbreviated day yesterday, arguably you could just erase that from your chart, but I'm not going to. There's traders that made trades, and 90.90 is that point of control. And today, we kind of have a double distribution with a little bit of a weakness here. Let me just open this up a little bit, and you can see that we're kind of a little bit lower than Friday, but a little bit higher than yesterday. What does that tell us? Well, right now with this double distribution and with the point of control officially here, right by previous session's highs, and then we have the second kind of volume note-ish, I guess, down here. Now, we haven't traded down here, though. We're talking 90 to 87. We haven't traded down prices this low since, well, 930 to 940 candle. And the market's just kind of elevated itself to a higher paradigm range right now, notably the top of the IB and the midpoint of the IB in the US IB, I should say. Didn't quite make it to that high vol level, HVL, which lines up nicely with that May 9th close at 94.77. R2 is slightly above that, but we have to get through that 0DT put support. My guess is we're probably going to be a little range bound here for the rest of the day, but you never know. VWAP is really far away. Session volume weighted average price. I'm not expecting a VWAP touch in this particular case, where we'd sell off and then kind of rally back up. Not for this market, probably. So, and settlement's right around the corner. So, anyway, we do have some targets up and down. Ultimately, the downside target is that one-day min, which was kind of the low of the London IB, 91.50. But I think that's going to require some news-based market information generated. Let's go over to gold right now and check it out. Now with gold, though, I want to start with the daily chart. This is an interesting kind of support area right now. We're right up above it. We're literally standing on top of it, and that's at 44.83. Now notice we haven't traded below this, other than the wick, a couple of wicks. We don't have a body of a candle below this level all the way since the 27th of March. Long time. We've kind of stayed sideways. We've consolidated. That 150 simple moving average is still overhead. So we're trading below that, suggesting perhaps that the bears are still in charge. Moving average, the exponentials, the 21, the 8, and the 50 are all arcing downward. And then I did this retracement here from this weird, crazy low wick all the way up to the high wick right here that we saw on the 17th of April, just to kind of measure the distance we've come. Because of this wick, that Fibs line's not the greatest line of all time, but a measurement of all time, but I'm keeping it on there anyway. I'm really looking at that 61.8% is a deal breaker for gold. That's at 44.13. RSI, look at that. We got a little bit of a hook on the RSI. I don't see any divergence here. We do have the RSI crossing under the signal line. We'll see if that continues or not. A pretty decent sized body of a candle so far. Let's go to the Let's go and dig in a little bit further here. I know I have a bunch of boxes here that I've highlighted, and this is kind of a nod to XYZ. Let me just open this up a little bit more. Again, this is Friday, this is Sunday, Monday, and then we're kind of back down to normal here. What I did was I drew a rectangle through this area of weakness where we saw no volume. Any of the 3 days, actually. Today, yeah, there's a little volume, but we just kind of carved through that as well. So that's really forming the top of the conversation in my mind. I don't expect we're going to get there. We are definitely in a bearish mode right now. Looking at the downside targets, we are making new lows right now in gold, and we do have that JAX2 just kind of sitting there. Hey, look at me, and that's around 65. Below that, S3, which is an outlier. We don't get to S3 very often. That one-day min at 44.60 is a possible target on the downside, and then below that, even 44.50, we have 0DTE put support and the main put support as well. So there are definitely targets down here on the downside. There's targets on the upside too, but I mean, we just started making new lows, right? I mean, how many? Let's count them. Let's not even speculate. We have a bunch of 10-minute candles here. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. couple of lower highs in a row. The trend is definitely down. These candles are starting to kind of march downward here as well. So again, I'm not looking to even get back up to that call resistance or that 0DT call resistance today. You never know. You could have some profit taken at the end of the day, but I am not very optimistic. Now, the point of control, though, is kind of right there. So, it could act like a magnet later on today, 4507. But still, this is kind of heavy right now on the candle. All right. That is this afternoon's Edge Report, and we are ready to trade the close. We have the Arena Challenge, the second qualifier. We have Joey with us, we have Jack, and we have Christian. How you doing, fellas?
How's it
Hey,
going?
Jim.
Doing good. Although I don't know if anybody else is having an issue. I can't trade the gold contract right now. Can you guys?
I actually cannot either. I was trying to
Okay.
get in one and could not.
Okay. Good to know. All right.
Are
I
you
didn't even
trading
know
the
that.
gold or the micro gold?
MGC June 26, which is what I was trading earlier.
Yeah, same.
It's not going through.
Uh-uh.
Okay. We'll get behind the scenes and look at that. What was I looking at? I was looking at June. I'm getting data on June. Interesting. In any event, how you guys doing though on your trades? What do you got cooking? Let's start with you, Joey.
I'm currently long MNQ here. I'm long from 967. Letting this ride up here. I've had a hard day in the qualifier today. It's been tough. I started off the day real strong, hit a nice trade to start, and then just been brutal ever since and got down on the account. Now we're working on climbing out and making a little bit of a comeback here. So we'll see what we got cooking. I'm working on getting this. Honestly, ideally, I would like to see us go back up to IB high at 30,084. So if I can get that move, that's what I'm targeting.
Got it. Sounds good. Sounds good. Christian, by the way, tomorrow, before we get into Christian's analysis of what's going on right now, I do want to remind everybody, and I'll go ahead and talk about it a little bit later today. Wednesday, 4 to 5 p.m. We do have a special session with Christian. Develop your edge. There we go. That's sorry about that, Mission Control. I just threw that softball out, but I want to promote it. It's going to be super awesome. We had the first one in the can already with XYZ. Looking forward to the second one. We're going to talk about building and executing a trade plan. Christian kind of does this with us when he's trading in the mornings, but now we have more time to walk through it, and we also are going to take questions on the fly. So I want to point that out. Bring your questions, everybody. Sorry about that, Mission Control, for that little curveball. What, Christian? Let's see what you're up to today on the challenge.
I am currently long. I, had to go through this chop and give back some of my gains, but hopefully we can break away from this range that we've been in for the last hour or so and maybe trend higher and make some of those points back.
I got it. Well, you're in a solid third place right now. It's pretty tight between Trader Kane's in first, and then Jack Gleason is in second. Jack, how you doing over there? What are you looking at?
Same thing, chopped up in the middle of the day as I was took on some other household tasks. But I'm long indexes, short CL. I just covered a gold contract and I was actually trying to flip it and can't flip it. But so I guess I won't be trading that unless that gets fixed. But yeah, it just depends on. Here's the thing. It's like we're all pretty close. I'm neck and neck with Chris, looks like. And, that's going to be just like it was last time me and him had a competition. I'm curious is this going to be a run back to the highs of the day here? Or are we going to get one more pullback? I have those two scenarios in my head. And not sure how I'm going to play them yet. So we'll have to see how strong this rally is coming into 2 o'clock.
All right. Well, Kane is definitely the wild card here. I mean, if I were Kane, I'd be at a pub somewhere. That's what they do in Great Britain right after hours. But he looks like he might still be going. So we got a target to shoot for, you guys. Wish you the best of all luck on your trades this afternoon, and I will catch you on the back end.
All right, take
All right,
care.
Jim.
Take care, Jim. All right, chat. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, Cat's saying that you took a nap. All right, let's see what we get.
Can we get a move back to the high a day?
As long as we don't stay in this prior range. We don't even have to go that high. Just
Yeah. I mean, we got a lot of time to make things happen. Just a matter of, is it going to back and fill this? I'd be a little sketched out if we don't continue straight up from here. But, it's like every little move matters when it comes down to this. Wouldn't be surprised to see these lows taken out tomorrow, though.
oh, you think we're gonna pull back tomorrow?
Yeah.
I mean, we have a pretty big.
Nothing serious, just kind of a retest of this range. I'm not looking for a dive by any means. But
What range? The recent breakout from last week?
Fill in Friday's gap.
Oh yeah, the gap. Yeah.
I think that'll fill this week.
We have a pretty big divergence between ES and NQ on the daily now.
Yeah, I might be hitting the reverse button if I get the targets I got laid up there, just to do something different. Pretty, I mean, this morning, straight up, straight down, a little bit of chopping at the bottom, and then, of course, your standard lunchtime, give your money back pattern.
Yeah, pretty choppy through lunch. That move down on NASDAQ was just crushing me in this account.
Yeah.
Golly, dude. I mean, I was like, okay, we're going to hold 30K. We're going to hold 30K. We just could not hold 30K, and it just crushed me.
No, Kane is still trading. His P&L's moving. So how does it work? Between qualifier 2, does like one of us advance to the final?
No, we're all going.
We're all going to the final.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is just for brags. Wasn't sure if they're going to start cutting us loose.
They said this is for funsies, and then the real one is next one. Let's see, whoever wins the new Ferrari, the electric Ferrari.
Fantastic.
I'm just gonna lose. Whatever the market's doing, I'm gonna do the opposite.
I think there's a cash option too that you can take.
MU is ripping, yeah. It wants 1,000. Give us 1,000 in that name. About to hit 900.
Yeah, it looks like CL's are going to break down here though.
Yeah, I've got 2 short on CL as well.
You maxing out your account?
I'm long MNQ and short oil. Those are my only 2 positions.
So when can we trade gold? They didn't say when.
I don't know. I got the this contract is going to expire called the trade desk. So you give the trade desk a call and they're like, hey buddy. No, I didn't call him. That's the message I got. And I was just in it too, so I don't know if it happened at 2:00 or that changed. Because I was actually short that move.
All right. ES is back into that, almost to that prior lower high that we had around 75.30s, 33. NQ back above 30K. Consolidated at that 50% of IB all afternoon.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that was a nice bottoming formation once we did make that low. I actually sold that first pop up, and then that's when I walked away from my desk. And then we came up to a second pop, and then spent about an hour and a half sideways, and here's that breakout here of that.
Where are highs? 30,100.
Nasdaq really trying to make a push here.
I'm flipping on my long at my target, so that's gonna be make or break or me keeping the lead.
Oh, you're gonna get short?
I'm exiting my long and getting short. Yeah,
Where is that? What level do you have?
I can't tell you, buddy. What are you talking? My competition.
Let's see, what do you
I'm
have
your
for
friend any
MC?
other day of the week. But
Somebody look at his screen and tell me.
I just got short.
Yes, took out that part. No, it didn't. We have a current lower high against that. Close some. I partialed out some.
I have my limit at 47. We hit 46s, I think, and no, 45 quarter. We'll see. I mean, I'm not looking for anything fantastic, but I'm going to give it 25 minutes just because a lot of times when I see that, this consolidation we've been in, and then you do get the breakout, obviously, two things. One, it is just a breakout on a higher time frame, or two, it's just that lunchtime consolidation resolving, and then no continuation after. Which one of those scenarios it ends up being, I do not know. Wish I did.
Well, Jack, normally I'm rooting for you, buddy, but now I'm not.
Hey, root against me, man, because I'm not rooting for you. I'm not rooting for you. I guess if this is the warm ups, it's okay.
You
Yeah,
put your
but I mean,
stop like
definitely.
above that swing high, or it's at a certain point distance based on ATR.
It's going to be based on the ATR time. This is the fourth bar in this rally. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, this is the fifth bar. So I don't want to see. I want to see it definitely just start basing around here. Anything above 36 quarter in the ES2, I would think that we're going to get that push up higher. I'm really just selling more of a potential exhaustion. I mean, it's not exactly a great setup. I just run in game theory here where I got to do something different. It was a target I had at my long. Otherwise, my next level above I would put at 30,000 at 90.
Oh, I have an exit order there.
You got a next level there?
My next TP is there, yeah.
Well, there you go.
It's right around the IB high, right above it.
Yeah, we had some pretty heavy divergence between the indexes on that morning low around 1150, where the NQ didn't take out, the open and the ES did. There was definitely some difference between those with the way those markets are trading.
All right, let's see if we reject here, like you say. or hold, form a little bit of acceptance and push out.
Yeah, if we were to get back below 29,980, then it would get really interesting. Otherwise, it's just kind of looking for a fade down into the next potential support. Gold is making a nice, I think gold's 10 points off the bottom there.
It's got kind of nice, bud.
Yeah.
But you can't. Oh no, somebody said we could trade the August contract, but can we do that on the competition?
Well, I always forget because you got to type in like it's always different per platform. You know, like if you scroll down on the like if you scroll here and then you go, what the heck did I just pull up?
Yeah, gold is bouncing.
Oh, is that a false candle?
In what?
Gold, the gold August just ripped like 30 points.
What?
Look at my chart.
Oh, that's
Gosh
crazy.
darn it. Yeah, I just switched that contract. Oh my gosh.
Holy Jesus.
That was literally the trade I was trying to take. Ah, that would have been huge. That would have been like a $600 trade. Dang.
Wait, so why can't we trade?
I don't know. I just switched to gold. I just switched to August when somebody said that, and now I can trade it. But we were trading June this morning, and then I just typed in MGC AUG26, and I guess everybody in the chat went long because we just ripped
MGC
30 points in 5 minutes, and I don't know why. Did the June contract make that move to go? No, it didn't. What?
Yeah, I know.
No, yeah, it didn't.
It's a ghost print.
It either that or it's just because the roll. It must be I don't know.
What did you type for the August MGC
AUG26?
Yeah, it won't pop up for me.
Or MGC
trade gold.
MGC 08-26.
Oh, MGC 08.
What in the hanky panky? I mean, it's on my screen.
Yeah, I can't trade it.
Can't load it.
Yeah, it won't load for me.
Strange things.
What's going on here?
Chad, do you have any answers for that?
No. All right. Well, guess it'll just be the indices. '06, MGC 06. No, that's June. We can't trade June. SPY is getting rejected at the weekly open. ES at the hourly 9MA. NQ remains strong. Yeah, either we hold this rejection or doesn't look good.
I run into a bit of a resistance area here on NASDAQ.
I guess I might as well just take it off my screen.
Trying to hold out for high a day though.
Into
Hope you guys keep holding.
Oh, you can trade June? People can trade June. What?
Maybe it started working again. move it back. Try to put an order in. No, I'm getting rejected.
No, I cannot trade it.
It's nice because it's actually moving right now. 15 points in gold in the last 30 minutes.
Come on, give us a push in Q.
I know. Just want that good strong push to high a day. pull me out of the red in this account. Mm.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm trying to test it with one contract, and it's not.
I seem to be able to place orders in August. However, that candle is scaring me. I'm not sure it's real because it's.
So what did you
30
type?
points.
MCG hog.
Look at my screen. Can you see that?
MCG dash 08. Dash 08. I can't see after that. What 226 maybe?
I just mine is MGC space 08-26.
Oh,
And
MGC.
Maybe I just moonshot this thing.
I can't trade it. All right, well, enjoy gold.
All right. Enough of that then.
Yeah, okay, I just found it. I got it up now, and it's letting me trade it.
What did you look up?
If you just I'm in Tradeovate. So if you do,
Oh, I'll just do that.
yeah, if you do, just type in MGC, you'll see the August come up, and you can just click on it and trade it that way.
August though, huh? That's what you did on Tradeovate.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't see charts on the web version now. It's black for me.
Hit the zoom out button, like on the top left there, click zoom out.
Nah,
That
it's
didn't
all
work?
black.
Oh.
Like I can't see anything.
Huh.
I don't know if you're going to want to trade it anyway because there's a 1 minute bar that's
Black.
30 points wide. Must be a lot of people wanting that August.
Pourquoi? Liquidation only contract. That's what it is.
I'm gonna arb the roll.
Oh, you're trading it, huh?
I just placed an order in it. Well, just because, yeah, I don't know. Actually, let me type in.
It either goes well or
Yeah.
Doesn't. Can we get a push here in ES? I think he sees one more high.
Oh, I see what's going on. It morphed. I think it combined the data. That's why that candle's so big. Because it took the June data and combined it with the August, and it's not the same. Anyway, I got short.
I have stop at break evens.
For your indexes.
Yeah, ES is struggling here though.
Yeah, NQ needs to get below like 40s or anything to get that ball rolling. Hour and a half left.
NQ still trying to make that push.
Yeah, ES is on the struggle bus. Like it's hungover. It's trying, but not doing much. Shap, that's between you and I, okay? Shap says Joey's like the horse from behind in the KY Derby. 20 to 1 odds. That would be a huge payout.
I am going fishing in the boundary waters in Canada, so I think it's like just above. I'd have to look at the resort I'm staying at. I don't have it off the top of my head, but it's just above. Probably a couple hours past Minnesota into the border of Canada. But I got some friends there, and they've caught about 30 to 50 walleye every day each, plus a muskie. So
Wow.
It should be pretty good. If you know anything about fishing, those are some big numbers.
I don't, but that does sound like a lot.
Yeah, it's putting 50 fish in a boat in a day yourself. So that's a lot of fish.
All right, we are seeing a little bit of resistance here on NASDAQ, which I don't love.
All right, so go long NQ, short ES.
You're hedging yourself. I'm going to be patient for what I want and not overthink it.
I'm staying long in Q. Still want the high a day. Nothing's linear.
ES couldn't really get through that prior swing high here. What level was that? 34?
Yeah, ES rejecting that 34s.
Struggling here in these 40s.
I closed my longs.
Did you?
Yeah, I got to protect what I've made.
All right, Jack short, NASDAQ. Chris is out of his position. I'm still in mine. This is where NASDAQ needs to come through clutch for me. This is where I need NASDAQ to go, chat. I got Chris out of this position. I got Jack short. I need NAS to go. This is where I make my comeback, chat. Yeah. 50 fish in a boat sounds like a Tuesday for Joey. You dang right it is. Joey about to be smoked. Oh, Shap. What are we talking about?
It's not
No
over till
way.
it's over.
No way you're counting me out already.
I'm trading the product you guys can't trade. I got an edge.
Your $7 gain.
Yo, buddy, that could mean that's about what the difference was with the P&L last time. It was like $13.
I gotta trade this freaking thing.
Go short, Joey, or
Short or
save the
long?
fight for another time? No, because when everybody else down at the NQ, I'm staying positive with it.
Yeah, that's your only hope. You can't join us.
I can't.
I mean, I still think, frankly, that the Nasdaq is going higher unless it breaks below this low. So
You're short gold too, huh?
mhm.
Would have been really cool to catch this reversal from the lows.
Yeah, there was actually a good setup for it. I was, sometimes you just get up from your desk and take your eye off the ball. It's not always on a tee. Pull back at like 1250 and 125 was great. And then even that first started to move up into 1 o'clock. Those are good entries.
Evershine Detailing is on my side. That's all I need.
I mean, between Kane, Chris, and I, it is close.
Y'all are neck and neck, yeah.
I was literally up 1500 at like 1250. I was at the top, I was like top 77.
I was down 900 at one point.
That's a pretty good comeback.
Yep. Yep. I went from up 600 pretty much right after the open to down 900. NASDAQ getting smoked.
I was seeing your P&L just friggin' flying. I knew what you had on.
Yeah.
In the morning?
Yep.
This morning, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Looking a Looking a little juicier now. This would be a crazy time to have one of those like wild headlines that just completely changes just ruins the day. Like if you're on the right side of it, you're great, and if you're not, you're just done for.
Or MGC. Or 528.
I'd like to see the ES get below and stay below Friday's high. 75.24.
I got long some gold.
Worldwide Import says Joey, Jack, Chris, Carmine. If you guys had to choose one thing in the psychology aspect that made you successful in trading, what would it be? I got one phrase for you. This is personal to me. If you win the weeks, you win the months. If you win the months, you win the year. I don't ever let one day dictate how I trade. I always focus on the bigger picture. Whether I have like, 3 red days and 2 green days a week, in a week, it's not gonna affect me. I care about like the longer term, like what's my, outcome over the months, because at the end of the day, I care about what I did over the year. So if I'm winning the months, then my year is going to look real good.
Yeah.
Man, that's a tough. I'm trying to think. I think it's just like being patient for like what you want to see. Don't force trades. I don't really know what do you want to like how you tie that in psychology, but just like confidence in your ability to execute on a system that you know is going to provide you favorable results. But like to get to the point where you have that system is a whole nother thing.
Yeah, it's hard for psychology.
I mean, the thing about psychology, it's more like a personal thing. Like, okay, like if psychology is ruining your trading, like that just really comes down to a few different things. 1, oversizing. 2, moving stops. 3, over trading. So those are really the psychological things. Like you may take a loss, you immediately jump back in, or you have taken a loss, so you double your size, or you're losing a position, so you're increasing your stop. So like I always ask people, like, which one of those or all of those are you doing? And then create rules around those to avoid doing them.
I also think that the psychology can be even more affected if you don't have a solid system in place and you're trading what you think can happen, and it just adds to several layers of you trying to now make up for that loss, and you're not really seeing your system, and you're just trading these other things. And at that point, yeah, your psychology is ruined. But if you actually develop a system that works, just execute that, and at that point you'll see your losses at just a drawdown in your system. But people don't understand a drawdown. They see losses and they don't understand that it's a drawdown because they don't have a system in place. If you're trading gold and I'm up $6, what the heck? What am I gonna do with that?
I've been long gold from 528, seeing if we can get a move up, but it's kind of just
I'm in
chilling.
at 529. Well, we got your rejection, Jack. So
Nasdaq is rejecting. Yeah.
I see it before it happens.
we had a good divergence up there too, but I thought we would push out.
It doesn't matter how far we can go. That's the real kicker here. Is it just a pullback, or is it actually the beginning of a bigger move down? I mean, if it is a bigger beginning of a bigger move down, I can see us making new lows on the day in the ES and back to, I don't know about new lows of the day in the NQ, but that'd take a lot. I think right now with this lack of volatility, we need to see a heavy sell in below 99.50s. But ES is really looking like the better short here.
Yeah, I can short in Q.
I still believe in high a day of Nasdaq.
Well,
I'm not straying away from it.
Closing this gold, it ain't working. He's making a nice run up too.
Gold moving a little bit.
Nasdaq retesting those 40s.
I got back long at 29.
Yeah, I reversed.
I just took one off.
No, y'all stay short. It's okay.
Listen here. Okay.
Y'all can stay short. That's
This
fine
ain't
by me.
fishing. Wait, well, you both of you guys can fish, so I can't say anything.
ES gonna make a run.
Gold making me a whole lot of $30 here.
60 really breaking out here. I wish I was at a position in that. You see, this is where this first pullback either holds or doesn't in these indexes.
Yeah, this would be the spot. 15-minute higher low against the breakout that we had like an hour ago.
It's on a timer.
Come on, NQ, get the push here.
All right, closed gold from 28 or 29 to 31, 31.5.
Get the push, NQ.
I gotta count every dollar against Chris. I'm not letting him beat me by 13 again.
Whole $13. We're being overworked here in this tape.
Yeah.
Minimum wage.
I just got everything on right now.
Jack going hard.
Yeah, we'll see if it works.
You
Am I
still like short
redirect?
gold, huh?
I re-added, but I'm just giving it a short leash. The problem is that one roll candle is like totally screwing my charts. I can barely see what's going on with
Yeah,
it.
that thing is annoying.
I wish I could remove it.
Yeah, super weak.
Yep, not liking that. Not liking
Thinking
that.
Q just tricked us there. Guys, in the meantime, let's get these likes up. We're at 104. There's almost 600 of you watching. How about the network? If you get to 250 likes, Jack said he would bring back some fish for a big cookout for everybody. So
You can only bring like one across the border. It's kind of
one.
crazy. Canada, man. That's just them Canadians.
Yeah, Tracy says 350 at least for Jack to get on the grill for the Chicago
If I'm
meetup.
getting on the grill, don't take any bananas. Is that illegal? Is that considered a contraband item?
Oh, really?
I don't know. It's like fruit, maybe. Oh, banana on the boat. Gotcha. I thought you meant back across the border. Yeah, no bananas on the boat. That's for sure.
Really, huh? White bananas.
I don't know who came up with that. Wasn't me, but I've heard it. Now here we go. If this last hour, I mean, this is. I know what Kane's positions is.
At
Yeah,
this
well,
point, I got to stay with the direction. I'm going, because if I just go back and forth, I won't get out of the hole. I just got to stay in.
Yeah, very true. Good lesson for everybody. Either if it was in competition, either stop trading or just stick to
yeah,
one.
I'm gonna pick a reversal spot on this move down. At least in the NQ. I don't know about picking a reversal spot in the ES.
Ooh, NQ getting weak.
Oh man.
Getting really weak.
Just said an ATR expansion lower.
He has new lows now. Pick up some volume here. Man. Oh, you flicked back short.
Yeah.
Gonna be you and Jack, you and Kane then.
Should have stayed short. Timmy, you're still beating me. Yes, exactly. What's up, brother?
What's up, fellas?
How's it going?
What's up?
Good,
What's
good.
up?
I've been watching you guys trade, so I'm kind of up to date what you guys have been doing
Trying to all catch each other.
for sure.
I'm just trying to get out of negative here.
He has his own fight.
Yeah, no, I'm not even fighting them. I'm fighting myself over here.
He's dealing with his own demons.
What do we say? We're gonna get a move into the close?
Yeah, we're picking up some volume here now. Yes, looks like it wants new lows.
Yes, it does.
Flash is telling me to go short. Listen, I can't go back and forth. I don't have the room to go back and forth. I got to stick with one direction.
Yeah, either that or we chop around. You can I mean, you got to be sharp. You can snipe around this maybe. That's where I'm kind of debating him if what I got to do because I got to.
Oh, what the fudge?
No, NASDAQ's going to treat me good in this last hour, chat. Just wait for it.
Okay.
All right, I'm done with gold. This thing is losing me. Where's the coach? What have you been trading mostly today, Carmine?
Honestly, I
NQ?
just traded the S&P one time, like in the afternoon. Um, this morning before I was on the whole NinjaTrader platform, I took ES long at the 75.30s, and then I took a short when it was rejecting like 75.50 at the high. And I wrote that down, and then I haven't taken anything since. It's just been so flat after like 12 Eastern.
Yeah.
Not really my cup of tea of trading, but I feel like I'm gonna throw some trades on just for the sake of it. Try to get my dollars up.
I mean, if you want to switch spots with me, feel free.
So generous, Joey.
It'd be nice to see a low, but you're long, Joey?
I am long, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say it would be nice to see a low break on ES, but
I've been long MNQ from 967.
mm,
I'm long 967 on MNQ, and then I'm long from 528 on gold. So I have great positions on. I'm just trying. I'm trying to get high a day on MNQ because that's gonna really pull me out of the hole.
for sure. Do you guys trade like gold and oil and all these other names like daily or no? It's like new just for this.
I do.
Yeah, I trade gold.
I don't touch it at all.
Yeah. I have 5 positions on, so
Oh
I have
shit.
something on. I have something on everywhere. Not all. Not all. I mean, all of the money's being made in the indexes, in my opinion. But today, at least, I mean, I had a couple good moves in gold, but now I've kind of given back my progress there, trading, trying to figure out which contract I need to be working in the last half of the day, and being confused
Yeah,
by
I
the
saw
candle.
that. Were you trading August gold or something like that?
Yeah, well, it was June this morning, and then I covered my June, and then I tried to place a trade long at lows, which would have been great. And then I was getting rejected, and then I realized they rolled it to August, and I was like, oh,
Mm-hmm.
just kind of threw me off.
We're good shorts. Either now we chop or maybe continue lower so ES can take out the low.
Yeah, that's the debate here. Chop and stop, or actually get a wash.
Oh, look at this. Some volume back to the upside now.
Submitted. Order canceled.
Love that sound.
Joey's just sitting tight.
I'm
I'm just
holding,
throwing
baby.
limit orders out there.
We're trying to make our comeback.
Oh, what a bounce.
I'm trying to time how often the leaderboard updates. I want to pay attention to it. So for 5 minutes. I don't know.
Every 5 minutes.
I don't know. Is that what it is? Every minute.
I don't know. That push in NQ makes it look like it wants to go back to new highs.
Yeah, it does.
I've flipped 3 times in this mess.
Huh.
Gold doing flat. It's mostly NQ here. ES isn't doing much.
I think we're probably, I mean, if the NASDAQ pushes, the ES is going to take that high out into the close. It's going to get up to 36s, and then we'll reject overnight. Definitely something to watch tomorrow, though, is this divergence between the strength.
We get a pullback here.
Trying.
This competition is getting taken seriously, boys.
I'm not catching up to you guys. My win is just getting the count back in a good position.
You know what? That's a man who never quits. That's the attitude you need in trading. Joey is beat down right now, but he is not quitting. This is not the end of his day. He knows he can get it back.
I don't give up, chat. The count would have to go to 0 for me to give up.
I actually don't think it's possible for somebody to zero out their account in a single day with this. If you can zero out your account, please let me know and I will fade you. I will do the exact opposite. That'd be the most effective trading I think I've ever seen.
String Bean's still with me. He's been by my side this whole time.
That's a ride or die right there.
That is a ride or die.
That's what I look like. That's what I look for in a girlfriend. Even when you're down, they got your back.
Pullback in NQ. Come on.
You ain't gonna get it, boy. I got my NQ off my screen, Chris. I don't want you cheating on me.
You would.
It's not like I don't have other markets that are visible. I don't even have enough room for the 6E on my screen.
Let me just put the weakest name here on.
I just put the markets that aren't moving.
There we go. Joey's going back to green.
We're trying, baby. We're trying. My gold position's still looking good. MNQ is still looking good. Just got to get follow through here.
Watch there just be a nice 70 pointer into the close, and whoever's still hanging on just takes a W. Man, no, this ES is still looking like trash.
When we get above 60, I think we have a clear shot to high a day.
Above what? 30, 60?
Yep. But we're running out of time.
Yes, it's struggling. Look at that thing.
I'm going to take my gold trade there and try to let NASDAQ run for me here.
Zero pullback in NQ here.
I mean, if this ES goes and takes out this most recent low, though, wow. That low at 3 o'clock.
Now it's struggling there at that 60 level, 57s.
I flipped again, baby. I'm short now.
How it goes.
Do me a favor, stay short.
I'm trigger trading. You don't want me to stay short of my 3 micros. I'm holding it down. You better start sweating if ES takes off 20, 75, 22.
A little bit away from that.
You think if we take out those 22s, we're going to the low?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if we're going to, but spent enough time down here that this should either hold.
It's just chop top. NES.
Either that or if Nasdaq's going higher, 86s, like 30 points. I know they don't trade on 1 minute charts, but
ES is wedging up here, getting ready for a move.
Nasdaq just really trying to pop into the 60s.
gold moving now.
Oh, gold popped.
Yeah, of course it did when I took it out.
Yeah. Staying in it looks like would have been the best thing.
Oh, Nas got to 61. I really want to see a strong move through these 60s.
Still no pullback in NQ.
Doesn't want to break those 60s, huh?
No, it's just struggling with them. And just ping-ponging back and forth with them. 60s like a brick wall. Yeah, it is. Like I say, if we get a push through it, I mean, I really do feel confident and getting closer to high a day up there.
There you go.
Just need a little follow through, chat.
Little engine that could.
Once again, those 60s just struggle bus.
Where's the order flow guys that come and tell me that we're seeing 300 lots flash up there?
Where at?
I don't know, wherever we're at. That's
Oh.
60. I just don't watch it, so I have no idea what's going on behind the book. I'm just looking at candles and time.
Whole lot of nothing right now. Do you guys normally trade like this late into the session?
Yeah, it depends on the action of the day. I would say today, no, because I need to unpack. I got home at 2 a.m. last night from Mexico, and my whole life's a disaster currently, and I need to fix. But
I would say
it
it depends. My own account, I don't usually trade this late in the day. But if we're getting good price action and there's setups, I might take someone like prop accounts or something like that.
How about
Or
you,
easy to
Carmine?
trade.
Very rarely. I mean, usually I like to call it a session in the first like hour or two. There's really been no headlines or nothing today either, right? Like no
No news Monday or
nothing.
Tuesday.
Yeah, it's been
I
pretty
mean, also
quiet.
first day back, 3-day weekend. Like this is, summer kickoff. Like couldn't
True.
be couldn't be a slower like day to begin. Any day, first day back for 3-day weekend with no news going into summer. Usually not very exciting. Here we go. If we don't cross above that high now, there's your fifth bar. I'm gonna start moving my short stops down. And we just say we're just gonna consolidate. Unless you got the last 20-minute jammer potential, but I think where it's more than likely we just fall back into this range and not do anything.
Order submitted or failed. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed.
Now we're just hitting buttons.
Order filled.
Oil's also peaking up here into the end of the day from the most recent low. Nothing crazy, but
I feel like I've been waiting for these 60s to push for about 3 business days. Chat, I need you guys to go make NASDAQ push these 60s.
Either we break out or this will stay a range until the end of the close. Yes, is trying to push out too. It's doing a little bit better. What do we do from here?
There we go.
Once it.
Get some follow through. Jack, go ahead and stay short.
I got my
Don't
steps
flip.
up.
Huh?
I'll be flipping, buddy.
don't flip.
I'll be flipping. This will be my fifth bar. Actually, I probably won't flip here. I'd rather buy a pullback. I don't know. I don't like we're on our fifth bar of this move and in consolidation action. I don't like to buy breakouts at is that it's kind of slow. I don't think it'd be a good idea to flip now. I mean, all I got to do is stay in whatever position Chris is in.
I'll see you at the championship, sir. Hopefully better action.
Yeah, blame the action. Blame the action. What day of the week does it fall on?
A Tuesday. They're all on Tuesdays.
They're all Tuesdays.
Appreciate it, Shop. It's not a comeback until we get back in the green, though. Then it's a comeback.
You're close, bud. That's an A for effort.
Sometimes, chat, you
Yes.
just got to believe.
Yes is definitely trying. I mean, it's just going to be big orders on close going back and forth here shortly. I guess we got 20, 35 minutes left.
Semis at all-time highs. Strong
What is?
here. The SMH semis.
Mm.
Bro, these 60s.
Somebody's there, brother. Somebody's there who doesn't want you to turn green. I think
I
it's
know.
some market
Somebody's
makers.
somebody's being a hater.
Contest might trade till 5 p.m., but I will not be sitting around trading the sim account till 5 p.m.
Jason says flip short now and you'll be green. Y'all were telling me to flip short in the 20s and 30s, and now look at where we are.
I didn't tell you to do nothing.
No, the chat was.
All right, I'm going to take off my gold. Start. See, I'll let that.
Yeah, look at us trading this tiny chop into the close. Oh man. I'd be out in the sun enjoying the day at the gym.
That is exactly what I need to do. Let's get to the gym.
Pretty sure I've been in this long for about 2 hours now.
It's a long time. Last half an hour here beginning. My legs fall asleep.
It's a great comment.
Yeah, ES pushing out.
Come on, 60s. Holy. There we go. Now let's get follow through.
Don't worry, I flip with you.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's go run high a day.
I don't know about that.
I don't either. I don't think we're running out of time for that, but I can still be hopeful for it.
Anything can happen.
We still got MOCs. I'm barely hanging on to in the green now.
I think you should just take it, dude.
Is that a W?
Yeah.
$4. Yeah, I would call it.
From down 900 to positive 4?
Oh, you were down 900?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
All right, chat. We'll end the account green.
Nice
We
job.
did not lose money in the account.
Good day.
It's a good day. It's a W. I'll take it. I'll take it off right there. We've made $1 from being down 900.
Take this oil off.
And you know what? Though there was only one person that stuck by my side that whole time, and it was String Bean. Now that I'm out, watch us jet right to high a day though, chat.
Think so?
I'll let you guys.
I sat in it for over 2 hours, and then I take it out, and then we jet to high a day.
I'll bring this in view now.
Cat said,
Now
congrats.
I know.
You are not a loser.
Now I know Chris isn't going to catch me. Let's see what I'm doing.
I can't catch up to you now. So you and I would be tied. I won the last one between you and then you're gonna win this one. So now it's gonna be the
Fair. We
real
got
competition is between you and I on the championship.
I agree. Final. Got one. I got one. I have never told anybody that they're about to get gleased on. That's hilarious.
Who said that? Somebody?
This guy in the chat, he goes, "Have you ever told anybody they're about to get gleased on?" No, I haven't.
Language.
Jeez, getting chastised for everything over here.
Jeez, yes.
The worst part about my P&L is about half the high of the day for me. I was worried when I came back on with you guys because I had no idea where everybody was. I was like, shit, I just blew all my midday gains trying to do stuff around my house and just placing orders. You know, this featured leaderboard's better than everyone's up. Everyone's up. I'll take it.
$1 still green. Everybody making money. There it is.
Give me some final targets here. I got 13 minutes left. I got a fishing update from a guy I know who's up there. He's at 60 fish this morning, Joey. I might have to give you the spot.
60?
60 in the boat.
What? What's he fishing for?
I mean, I'm sure most of it's walleye, but walleye, pike. I mean, the occasional muskie you get. They're not fishing for muskie, but you'll catch one just fishing, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, mostly walleye.
Huh.
Yeah, you want the name of the resort?
Yeah.
I'll text it to you.
Where are you guys from?
I'm Chicago.
LA.
Missouri. Springfield.
All right, target hit there and then Q. That one's out. I got ES right here and 6E, wherever that is, somewhere on my screen. I've lost track of my
Carmine, what about you?
I'm from Jersey.
Oh, okay.
I'll be in Missouri actually next week.
What part?
I'm going to the Ozarks.
Like Lake of the Ozarks?
Yeah, going on
Okay.
like a golf trip out there.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Which let's see. Is it actually in Lake of the Ozarks or is it just like Ozarks in general?
Yeah, it's in the Lake of the Ozarks. I don't
Okay,
know
yeah.
where, to be honest with you. I could look it up. Oh.
I've only been to Lake of the Ozarks a couple times just to be out on the water.
For sure.
Can be a good spot. It's a big it's a big party area.
Is it?
Yeah. For people that party on on the lake and stuff. That's what
Yeah.
it is.
That's why Joey doesn't go there anymore.
It's funny. We have I was talking about this earlier on stream with Nick. We have on Table Rock Lake that's close to me. We literally have a cove that's called Party Cove. And just everybody takes their boats out there. They have like festivals there and everything. It's wild. I'm just a fisherman. I don't party at all. I just go out to fish, but I avoid the party weekends because then I just get bullied out there by all like the big boats.
Look at that new high, Joe.
I had a high days coming in. Of course it is. After I got out, but I really wanted to end the account green after being such a big deficit.
I feel you. Sometimes you just got to save that mental capital.
Yeah.
'90s area was my TP earlier.
I mean, I feel like it's inevitable for NASDAQ to break the high, no?
Feels like it at this point.
If not today, tomorrow, right?
Order submitted. Filled.
Screw it.
Looks inevitable. MOC soon.
Hmm.
Here, Joe, there's a picture of a Smalley from today. My dad just sent me this. That's pretty big.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
This is a muskie yesterday. This looks like it's like 40 inches.
Holy. Yeah, that's huge. Huh.
Fix my camera. There we go.
I'll be in Miami on Sunday through the 4th, and I thought about going down to Pompano and going fishing down there again while I was there.
Anybody trade the 6E but me today?
I took a couple on it.
Only you.
I was negative today, if that tells you anything on how it went.
I mean, it was not a good market to trade today. It wasn't anything special. Oil was okay. Oil had like a decent range, but like with the size of the contract, it's pretty minimal. I mean, you had $100 moves back and forth with 2 micros, which is, that can add up for sure. Carmine, what's your style of trading?
I mainly just scalp. I mainly just trade ES. I don't really look at NASDAQ ever, like oil, gold. You were hating on order flow earlier, but it's my main method.
No, I just don't look at it. I mean, like anything, I think it works if you look at it enough,
For sure.
Like a lot of times I'll be on here with guys that do order flow and I'll have an order and they'll be telling me what's going on and I'm like sick. Like,
Yeah, for sure.
Like I can only just look at so much. And because I trade so many markets, I can't trade order flow because
100%.
Order flow is a one market or maybe 2. Otherwise, I think it's too much because you just have to pay so much attention to detail. But I definitely know it works. I know plenty of people who make a living doing it. But
100%, yeah. Yeah, I try to stick to one market.
yeah.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I usually only trade NASDAQ during like the New York session, but I'll take a look at gold during Asia, maybe during like the Tokyo Open or something. Gold tends to get some good movement then.
How many traders here do we got from London that are staying up late with us right now? Get to go visit Kane for the London link, June 18th. Joey, I can see you in London.
Could see me in London.
Yeah.
How's that?
You would live in London?
I feel like London has the same kind of food as Missouri. Fish and chips.
So it sucks. Is what you're saying.
I don't think I could live in London. I'm getting a second place in Pompano, Florida, though. So I'll be back and forth between Missouri and Florida.
That's awesome. That's the dream.
Yeah.
Pompano, Florida. How far is that?
From me?
Yeah.
Oh, driving, it's like 18 hours.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I wouldn't drive though. I'd be flying back and forth.
Yo, it looks nice over there.
Pompano's beautiful. Love Pompano. I've been going there since I was 16. It's already like a second home.
So we know who to hit up when we go.
Yep.
How far is that from Miami?
Depending on traffic, and what day a day you go. It could be a 30, 45-minute drive, or it could be a 2-hour drive. It kind of depends on the day and the time.
There's the real winner, Chris.
My
Look
quant.
at the puppy.
The quant. Tracy, I'll visit the studio. I was in
What?
Naples 3 times last year. Never went to the studio.
How far? Oh, it's less than a 2-hour drive to Naples. I'll come by.
What is?
The Ninja Studio.
From Pompano?
Yeah.
All right, gold target hit. I am out on everything, I think.
Look at Naz working to high a day here.
Order submitted.
Oh, man, I'm just a few dollars short of the 1K mark.
Loser.
Loser. Oh. See, I thought there was a prize today. That's why I was working so hard.
Man, had I stayed in, I probably could have taken out Kane.
What is he at? 260. Algo time's gonna come in and we hit new highs.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I don't know, but I'm gonna close another one here.
I tell you what, though, is going to be interesting is with this gold roll. If we reverse, I always like seeing if there's like pivotal changes in behavior when futures roll.
Bill.
Sometimes starting rallies on higher time frames. We are at the 50% retracement from the low of the year in gold here, like literally right here, 4507.
Order filled.
Well, that's on the old contract, on the June contract.
Attention traders, it's algo time.
Oh, no, I guess I am above the 1K mark.
It's algo time. New high a day on algo time?
Almost.
Trying.
How'd you guys do today in the chat?
Yeah, how'd everybody do?
It was a tricky tape after the warning.
Leaderboard top number 1 is 3,600. They're still going. Not Gaurav.
All right, I closed my long. I think I'm done.
And then Kana is fiction.
Well, even though I barely ended green on the Arena Cup, my personal account had its biggest day ever today, so I got something to celebrate at least.
Oh,
That's
ever?
sick. Good for you, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, good for you.
Yeah, nice job.
it was a great day in the personal.
Who won last week's competition?
I think Nick did.
I think he made $100.
Oh, nice.
I think this one's still a win because nobody's down. Usually somebody's down like $2,000.
Not amongst this group of killers.
It was almost me.
Joey did it just to show he can make a comeback.
That's right.
It was like, I'm gonna get down a grand just to show you that I can come back a grand.
I only did it for your guys' entertainment. That's it. Still not able to make a new high a day.
New highs into the close.
Really? Huh? I don't know. I gotta set some targets up here, but that doesn't really matter.
Oh, you're still gonna trade this?
No, I'm not gonna trade this. This is my first day trading in a week. So it's good to actually I normally don't go that long without trading, but I was not available. Gotta take those summer breaks.
Oh, it wants it right here. It's like 20 points away. We will see you guys for the championship. Right, Ollie? Nice, Jimmy. Not good, Tom. I think this is a sim money.
Joey, do I have you on Discord?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I'm looking for your name.
Kane is going to the London one, Robert.
I'll send you it on Twitter.
Okay.
Yeah, Kane's going to. Wasn't there one other trader going to the London one?
Yeah, because not one of us who trade on here. I think he's more of a real prop trader.
Oh,
actual prop versus like these online prop.
Well, it fell just short of the new high.
Yeah.
Got to 11 or 111.
If you Google NinjaTrader Arena leaderboard and then you log in, there's like instructions on how to do it. So I found it.
Retesting IB high.
People are definitely still long. I'm watching my leaderboard number just continue to change. Here's the link from Jim. Who? 82 is pretty good. Congrats.
It's pretty good.
I mean, it's hard to make top 100. You got to be on top of your stuff all day long.
Yeah.
What is the top 5? Like 35, 4 grand?
Oh yeah. Let me look.
First place is 5 grand. Second place 1,500. Third place
Boy, that's a big
800.
spread.
Yeah.
And then fourth to 130th is $100. The guy in fourth place is only $30 behind the guy in third place. That's a huge difference.
We're good.
Whoa. Hey, guys.
What's up, Jim?
What's up, Jim?
Hello, hello.
Wow. What a competition. Who do we got? We had Jack Leeson, number 1. Chris, number 2. Carmine, number 3. Trader Kane, number 4. Congrats, guys.
Joey, number 5.
Well, and Joey, number 5. I could only see the top 4 on the screen.
Oh,
Who knows what other featured traders decided to jump in. That's all right. That's all right. It was all good. You gave it you know what? You called that the NASDAQ. Like, I'm staying in. The NASDAQ's making highs.
yeah. And you know what? I'm no longer negative, Jim.
Yeah, baby.
That's the comeback. That's the W in all of this.
All right. I love that. Who's still in positions? Jack, you got a position still?
Flat, Jim.
All right, Carmine, you
You
in or
every
no?
market today.
Flat.
Carmine's flat.
Flat, yeah.
Kristen is flat for
Same.
sure, right? All
That
right,
is
all right.
it.
Well, the bell's going to ring in a sec. Let's just stick with it, see what happens here.
That is it, buddy. No new high into the close.
No,
Yeah.
fell just short.
Yeah, it's like 10 points, 7.
Back down below IB high now.
Yeah. Look at that go. Man, oh man. There we have it. We are official, everybody. Let's take a look at the main leaderboard here, just to kind of pop it up on the screen really quickly here. We have Nat Grav is in number 1 place, $3,581. Dietat, 3323. Colombo, number 3, 3321. But he's within striking distance, by the way, folks. There's $20 between him and number 2. So we got ourselves, as a matter of fact, look how tight the top 6 are. The top 6 are all within $500. And we do have another hour's worth of trading. Anything could happen, everybody. Whew. Great job, everybody who participated in the arena qualifier number 2. We appreciate everybody who did. Hopefully you had a good time. Hopefully you're in that top money group as well. $5,000 for number 1 and qualifying for the big tournament. We have qualifier number 3 next week. And then that will set the stage for the cup. So excited about that. Appreciate these 4 doing their thing in front of everybody live. Let's give these guys a round of applause, please. All right, all right, all right. right. And before we go, really quickly here, let me just tell you about tomorrow. Tomorrow's a special day, by the way. I know it's Wednesday. It's still a special day. We're kicking it off with a special guest. Jared Dillian is going to be with us tomorrow. And he's kind of a macro guy. He's pretty funny, witty. Follow him for sure on X if you get a chance. Last name spelled Dillian, Dillian. First name Jared. Then Farm's going to be here for Tape Talk, and then right after that, we are going to have Prep Talk with Kane and Leo. Then Kane and Leo are going to trade the open, and they're going to be joined by X, Y, Z, and Nick. And then shortly after that, they'll also be joined by Stowe. So powerful lineup early in the morning. Afternoon, Jack, Selma, and Tanya are going to be trading the close. Looking forward to that as usual. And then special event, 4 to 5 p.m. East Coast time. Develop your edge with our very own Chris from Trading Boxes. Christian's going to be showing us how he builds and executes his trade plan in any market environment. And it's going to be our second show in the Develop Your Edge series. So really looking forward to that. It's going to be very interactive, you guys. So come into the chat if you can, if you're listening, and type in questions as you go. We're going to take them as you go, and we'll have a kind of a nice and flexible format. So it'll be a lot of fun. And I'm looking forward to everything Chris has to say. The guy is Miracle Man. So we're going to do it, man. All right. Having said all that, folks, appreciate everybody being here. Remember, thank you for the subscriptions. It means a lot to us. Very important to me personally. The thumbs up. And most importantly, thanks for being so cool in the chat. Everyone's here helping each other out. And then all the good stuff that I get in the email and all that stuff. Keep it up. You guys, best community there is. Having said all that, most important message of the day, please be safe out there. Be good to each other. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you, Chop.
Yeah. Later,
Later,
Jim.
guys.
Later.
Boys.
Jim, take care.
See you guys.
Bye.